Hello, everyone, and welcome to AgentSpot. So every PM team does the same routine before creating a story. You go through Jira, writing JQL to see if a ticket already exists. You dig through Slack to see if there's user feedback for the story already. And then you find an engineer with the expertise and the bandwidth to assign the story to. So you've opened 10 different tabs and you've wasted 30 minutes before you've even run a single word. So we're going to tackle this by building a Jira PM Assistant. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a new agent. Then we're just going to paste in our prompt. We're seeing your product manager assistant for the AgentSpot team working in a proposed and confirmed loop. So we'll go ahead and start building, and then we'll give this a minute. So now that this is done, we can see our agent is all built. It has its instructions updated as well as connected to any connectors it might need. So as Jira has GitHub, as well as Slack and Google Workspace. So we can save this, and then we're actually going to tab over to an agent that we have ready. So we asked our agent, I need to create a story to ensure that agents and AgentSpot trigger a browser notification to indicate when they're done. Let's see if a story for this already exists. So it went ahead and answered. It found the story that already exists, and it linked the Jira ticket. And then it also surfaced feedback that led up to creating this ticket. So that just saved us the time of creating a ticket that already exists. So we can go ahead, we can ask it, create a ticket to implement speech to text in AgentSpot, see if this exists, and if not, we'll draft one. So it went through and it said that this doesn't exist, but it did surface some information where people have talked about and suggested this feature. And then it's gone ahead and created a draft for us that we could either copy and paste into Jira or have it create the Jira ticket itself. And then if we look at this, this also has the voice of our PM and the style that he uses to create each ticket. So this agent that took only minutes to build just gave us back hours of our time every week. This is a pattern that also works for like triaging support channels, auditing, merge PRs against their acceptance criteria, and any other PM work that we need to get done.